Hi, my name is Herman Sörensen and I'm a mechanical engineer here at Domino Sweden. Domino Sweden makes industrial marking equipment, and the solutions department at Domino Sweden makes custom tailored machines that incorporate Domino's printing equipment inside of them. With Domino Solutions, we are very flexible to meet any requirement that our customer needs. Using the PDM makes our work a lot more structured. We have tailored a workflow within the PDM system that works for us perfectly and keeps us very structured within our designing process. It also makes it possible for my colleagues to check and release the files that I have done, which keeps everything tidy and that more people have taken a look at the parts before we can release anything. We have also saved a lot of time by making automatic generations of files when the files have been cleared. So we can just gather the material after we're done with a project and order our parts from our suppliers. Before using the Composer, we had to make all of the assembly drawings and spare parts catalogs within the SolidWorks drawings function, which took a lot of time. Using Composer, we can now make these drawings a lot faster and also interactive, and when making more particular manuals for how to change out parts, we can use a lot more interactive and nice looking illustrations to be more clear in our manuals.
Hi, my name is Hampus. I'm a solution programmer here at Domino Special Solutions. I also work with the electrical designs of the machine. Before using SOLIDWORKS Electrical, we didn't have that much collaboration between the mechanical designs and the electrical design. So SOLIDWORKS Electrical has enabled us to have a much more closer collaboration, which enables us to see errors and mistakes in an earlier stage of the development. With the increasing requirements of documentations from our customers, SOLIDWORKS Electrical has helped us meet those requirements. By being able to quick and easy reuse projects and also list the components, we can reduce the developing time by a lot.
My name is Sara and I work as a project manager at Domino. I think that the combination between electrical, composer and PDM has improved our internal collaboration. I think the tools have improved the workflow. When using the tools, it's much easier for me to get a greater understanding of the project and the whole scope and the complexity of the machines that we are developing. And in that way also plan better.
It makes it possible for us also to show the machines to our suppliers, which makes it possible for them to understand more greatly what kind of products they want to recommend us for the type of machines. And so every step of the design process is done better when we have the tools to be more direct and show how everything works within the SolidWorks suite.
We put a lot of time and effort into including our customers during the whole project to get a better understanding of the machine in an early stage, and also to get back with input for us. It can be as easy as that they want to change an orientation of a door or something, and that's much easier to change within the system than changing that in the reality later on. So that is of huge importance for us, and that is also something that we get really good feedback from our customers, that they like being involved in the design process, and by using the SolidWorks tools we get there.
The support and trainings that we have received from SolidEngineer has always been very good. They have short phone times and always had the answer when they pick up. It's been very good to develop the workflows within the PDM system that we are using. They tailored a specific workflow for us, and then we have continued to work on this workflow on our own with consultation from SolidEngineer. So we have developed a perfect PDM system for us.